Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to count inside of Planswift. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up Planswift and open up your document or PDF, your drawing that you'd like to count in. So I've got this house plan or proposed new dwelling plan. Now from here on the top, we need to go ahead and click on the home tab. Now below that, we've got different tabs. Click on the count tab, and then we've got a few different options here. So we've got a single click count, we've got a label count, scale count, circle count, square, diamond, plus, etc. So if I want to do a single click count, I can. So I can click onto that. Then from here we can go ahead and put in a name and choose a shape. So we've got circle, square, etc. I might do diamond for this. Choose a color. I might click onto red. Fill type, going to use solid. Then from there I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. Now just go ahead and click in where you'd like to count. So if I want to go ahead and click into there. Now if you want to do a manual count, you can. So what we can do is go back and click on the count. And now if we go ahead and choose circle, square, diamond. So say if I want to do circle, give this count a new name. So I'm just going to call it test for now. I'm going to change the color to say a blue, solid, and it's a circle. So I can do a manual count by just clicking on the corners like so. And you can see the count. When I'm clicking on these corners, that count is increasing as I click on the corners of this building.